cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank, do we have the product for you. In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our Precut Taillight Tint, but what you might not know is that Tech Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium, higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to windowtinting.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this Cadillac CT5 and we're going to do the taillight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the lens looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the taillight lens. So we're going to need slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. If you're not able to remove all the contaminants that the lens may have, you can also use solution which contains 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. But if you're able to remove everything with just the slip solution, then you should be good with this. So just spray it onto the lens. And with a clean microfiber towel, make sure to remove all the contaminants that the taillight may have, and also just clean around the surrounding area in case the film does touch the paint, it doesn't catch any contaminants. Okay, so once you finish with the prep, now we can start with the installation. We're going to start with piece number 1 that covers this side section of the taillight. So piece number 1 is just looks like this, like a boomerang type of design. So just apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And with this one, you want to make sure to start aligning the film right on this corner here. So match it to the corner there. And now we're just going to lift it, apply tack solution underneath the film, and on top, make sure to keep it aligned. Grab your squeegee and start tightening down to secure it. Remove all of the solution that's trapped underneath the film. So just take your time, making sure that you remove all of the water bubbles. That way there's none left after the installation. Double check and see if you left any water bubbles. If you didn't, you should be good. Okay, and now the next step is to stretch the film going downward like this. And the reason why we need to stretch it going like this is because right here there is going to be a big finger. So in order to reduce the size of the finger, we need to stretch it going with the curve of the tail light right here. That way we're able to shrink it. So to stretch it, just apply slip solution to the lens, and we're stretching it like this, and also we're just making sure we reach the edge of the film here as close to the bottom as possible right here. So start from here and you're going like this. That way we're able to shrink the finger that we had here. So it should be looking like this. And now we just grab our tack solution, apply tack solution on the top of the film, and start tagging it down. Start where the body line is located. Bring it all the way down. Make sure the film is at the edge. And just remove all the solution on this area. These small fingers, we could remove them by applying a little bit of heat. But before we apply heat, we just need to make sure to remove all of the solution underneath the film. And now the big finger that we had here, now it's a little bit smaller. So all we have to do is just break the finger down. So separate it in both directions. That way the finger shrinks. And we're able to apply heat and just seal it and shrink it and tack it down. So to shrink these fingers here, apply tack solution. You're going to use a heat gun or an air dryer and just apply heat. Use the lowest setting on your device and apply heat evenly. That way we help the finger shrink. So spread the heat evenly. make sure you pause, make sure you take your time, you pause, you read the fingers, and you just make sure that the film's not creasing. And that's pretty much it. You kind of have to read the fingers and separate them and just tack them down slowly. So once you apply heat, then we could just wrap our microfiber towel on our squeegee and just help it tack down like this. That way we prevent the film from creasing here and damaging the film on this area here. So it's just taking your time, applying heat, separating the fingers as you apply heat. And don't forget about this section here, small little fingers, same process. Apply heat, and just grab your microfiber towel and tack them down. Pretty simple. It just takes a little bit of technique to read the fingers and tack them down. And before we move on with the next piece that covers this section here, just double check and make sure that you don't have any water bubbles underneath the film. If you do, just apply either the slip solution or the tack solution. That way our squeegee is able to glide and remove the solution that's trapped underneath the film. And now the last thing to do before we move on is seal the entire edge here. Since the film on this section here does overlap with the film here, we need to make sure that everything stays sealed. That way both films don't lift over time. Just grab your tack solution, spray it on the edge, grab your heat gun, lowest setting, and apply heat. And as you're applying heat, microfiber towel to seal the edge. Okay, so once we finish installing piece number 1, we can move on with piece number 2. Piece number 2 is this one here. So when it comes to installing this one, we need to make sure we align it to this section of the tint right here. So align it on the edge of the tail light right here. So this section here is only covering the face. This section here has this extra tab to cover this section of the side since it's more exposed than this one. This one is not covered right here because it's a smaller area to work with, so it would be hard for the film to stay tacked down. And this one here, there's more area to work with and the film is able to hold on. Once you apply heat, it's able to hold on since there's more area to work with. So just focus on this area first, align it, lift it, apply tack solution, place it back down, and tack it down. So once this section is secured, now work your way here. We're just doing a small little stretch to reach it to the bottom. So lift and stretch down just a little bit until you reach it there. And now just apply tack solution on top, start tacking it down, work your way from the middle here towards the bottom. Okay, for now, we're just going to leave this as is. We'll come back after to tack it down and seal it here. We just need to make sure we focus on the rest of the tint here. So just make sure to remove all the solution that's trapped underneath the film here. And we should be good. And now, last step on this section here is to stretch the film to this side. So you will notice when you're doing the installation, you have this finger here. It's a little big, but once we stretch the film to reach it to this section here, the finger here will shrink smaller and we'll be able to tack it down. So just lift it carefully, apply slip solution, place it back down, and just do a light stretch until you reach it and align it here. So now the finger that we had here is a little smaller. So now just apply tack solution on top, grab your squeegee, start tagging it down. You can start helping it tack down slowly by working your way this way. Remove all the solution that's trapped underneath the film. And now we just have these small little fingers here. So all we're doing is just going to apply tack solution, apply heat, and seal them and tack them down just like how we did it on this section for the first piece here. So just grab your heat gun, lowest setting, apply heat, spread the fingers, apply tack solution once more, wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee and just start taking it down. For this section here, we're able to tuck in and wrap the film to the top section of the tail light here. So just do this all across, apply heat, that way it stays tacked down throughout the entire panel, and then apply heat to seal the edges here. There is a small finger here, but same process as how we did it here, we do here. And now the finger is gone. So just apply heat, start sealing everything, and then we should be good. And then we'll move on with this piece here again. So for the last section right here, all we need to do is just apply a tank solution underneath the film and start from the middle here and start tacking it down like this. Just help the film tack down to the curve. And if you do see that the film is still lifting, another thing you can do is just apply a little bit of heat. That way we help relieve the tension on the curve here and anywhere else. That way it stays tacked down. Right now it looks good, but it's always better to just apply heat, that way it stays sealed. So after you apply heat, you can grab your microfiber towel, start tacking it down, and we should be good. And now we finish on this section here, and then once you finish installing the entire Taillight Tint kit, the last thing to do is to post heat the entire film. So once you finish with the entire installation, the last thing to do is to post heat the entire tail light. So all you're going to use is your tack solution, a heat gun, and a microfiber towel. So tack solution sprayed onto the lens, and we're going to use a heat gun. We could use the highest setting, but just be careful not to focus on one area for too long. That way we don't accidentally burn the film. So to play it safe, use the lowest setting on your device. And as you're applying heat, use your microfiber towel just to help tack down the film around the edges or anywhere else on the film. That way we help remove all the solution that's trapped underneath the edges. So take your time applying heat, tack everything down, help the adhesive activate faster, and once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the Taillight Tint for the Cadillac CT5. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you're subscribed and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Check out our other kits for the CT5 down in the description below. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.